Hi, boys and girls. It's time for our spelling lesson. So we are going to work on our sounds, and then we've got a new sound to learn as well. So we're going to practice what we already know so far. Here we go. O-R says or. I-R says E-R says Q-U says qua. O-O, two sounds. Ooh and ooh. Good. A-R says R. C-K says K. Where does it come? At the end of a word. That's right. E-E says E. O-A says O. U-R says O-U, two sounds. Ow and O. Good job. P-H says F. T-H says Th and Th. Good job. O-E says O. A-Y says A. E-A says E. A-I says A. S-H says Sh. C-H says Ch. I-N-G, ing. O-W says ow, and one more, O. Okay, I-G-H says I. W-H says W. Good job, boys and girls. Now, we have two more new sounds, but they make the same sound. You ready? It's O-I. O-I says, does anybody know? Oi. That's a funny sound, isn't it? Oi. And then we have another one, O-Y. And O-Y also says oi. So both of these, O-I and O-Y, both say oi. And so we're going to work with these sounds today, okay? I'm going to put them up here on my board so that we can refer to them as we are spelling. All right, so the first sound that we are going to work with is O-I. All right, so I want you to get out your spelling journal and I want you to find a page that doesn't have any writing on it. And I want you to put O-I at the top of the page and underline it. Okay? Now, we are going to work on spelling some words with O-I. And notice, I have my cat-kite rule up here. That's because I've got a couple of words that start with a K sound. And I want you to see if you can figure out, is it a C or is it a K that the word starts with? All right, so here's the first word. The first word is oil. Oil. Let's tap that out. Oi. Ol. Oi. Ol. Remember, we're using O-I. So how do we spell that word? O-I-L. Did you get it right? Good job. All right, here's your next word. Ready? Soil. Soil. Ready? Let's tap it out. S, oi, ol. S, oi, ol. So how do we spell that word? Pause, Mrs. Romer, if I'm going too fast. Okay, you ready? I'm going to spell it for you. S-O-I-L. Soil. Okay, ready? Here we're going to do another one. The word is join. Join, like I want to join in on the fun. Ready? J, oi, n. J, oi, n. Join. All right, you ready? I'm going to spell it. J-O-I-N. Okay, here's our next one. This is where you're going to have to use your cat-kite rule. You ready? Coin. Coin. Let's tap it out. K, oi, n. K, oi, n. Well, let's see here. It's got that k sound. What vowel comes next right after the first letter? Well, I've got oi up here. So if I put k right here, and then I have oi, k, oi, n. That's an N, right? Oh, you can't see it because of the glare. There we go. All right. What goes here? Look, the very next vowel is a what? It's an O. Let's see. Where do I find an O? What am I going to use? A C or a K? Look here. Look at his nose. He's telling you, you're going to use a C. So we're going to put a C right here. And now you have the word coin. See how that works? All right. So here's a little hint, a little secret. Because we're using oi here, O is always going to be the next letter. So if I give you a word with a k sound, what are you going to use, a C or a K? You're going to use a C because you know the next letter is going to be an O, and that's the kitty cat's nose, right? So we're going to use C words today. All right, here we go. Your next word is, it's got a blend on it, okay? And the blend is sp, sp. Your next word is spoil. Spoil. Okay? Sp. Sp. Oi. Ol. Sp. Oi. Ol. Spoil. How do you think you spell that one? I'm going to tell you. S. P. O. I. L. Spoil. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, it's got a blend again. Ready? Broil. Broil. B, r, b, r, br, br, oil. Br, oi, ol. Broil. Did you spell it? All right, I'm going to tell you what it is. B-R-O-I-L. Okay, good job. We've got one more for O-I. All right, one more. And let's see, let's move this. There we go. All right, last one. Moist. Moist. Oh, look, you've got a blend now on the end of the word. Ready? Let's tap it out. M-oist. M-oist. Moist. How do you think that you spell that word? You ready? I'm going to tell you. M-O-I-S-T. Moist. Good job. Okay, now we're going to work with our O-Y. We just have a few words for O-Y. It's not as popular, I guess, of a spelling, and so there aren't as many words, especially for kindergarten, using O-Y, but there are a few, and so we want to do that. All right, here we go. So here's your first word. Remember, we're going to use O-Y. Let's find a new page, as a matter of fact, in our journal. So just turn the page and maybe use the back. And I want you to write O-Y at the top of the page and underline it for me. Okay, and now let's do our first O-Y word. Ready? The word is toy. Toy. T-oy. Toy. How would you spell that one? That one's pretty easy. Okay, you should have written T-O-Y. Toy. All right, here's the next one. Ready? Roy. R-oy. Roy. How did you spell that one? R-O-Y. Now that R is going to be pretty special. You know why? Because this is somebody's name. So what are you going to do to that R? You're right. You're going to capitalize it. Okay? Now I have another name for you, and it's going to be a blend. Okay? So listen. Troy. Troy. Do you hear that? T-r. T-r. Tr. Troy. T-r. Oy. What do you think that one is? Can you spell it? T-R-O-Y. Good job. Okay, remember, it's going to get a capital letter again because it's somebody's name. All right, so let's do the next word. You ready? The word is joy. Joy. Jesus brings us joy. Okay, let's tap it out. J-oy. How did you spell it? J-O-Y. Good job. All right, last one. Ready? It's boy. Boy. Ready? Step it out. B-oy. Boy. How did you spell that one? Very good. B-O-Y. All right. So, because this was a short one, I've got a sentence for you. So I'm going to tell you the sentence, and in your journal, I want you to write the sentence down, spelling all the words as best as you can, okay? Here we go. I think you should be able to spell all of these words correctly. The boy will like the toy. Okay, here we go again. The boy will like the toy. Remember, what do you do at the very beginning of a sentence? Capital letter. Don't forget. What do you do at the very end of a sentence? You need some kind of a punctuation. In this case, it's going to be a period, right? Because you're not going to need a question mark, and you're not going to need an exclamation point. So it's going to be a sentence because it's you're telling something. Somebody's telling you something is what I should say. All right. And then make sure that you've got spaces between your words. Okay? Nice, neat handwriting, all of those things that we always talk about in class. All right. And that's it, boys and girls. You've done a fabulous job, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.